Spark plugs are like the tiny heartbeats of your car's engine. They ignite the fuel and air mixture that makes your car go. Without them, your engine is useless. Worn-out spark plugs can't do their job properly. That means your engine has to work harder. Changing your spark plugs regularly is super important. It's like giving your engine a tune-up. New spark plugs can make a big difference in how your car runs. Think of it like this: new shoes for your feet, or fresh tires for your car. You'll feel the difference new spark plugs make right away. One of the first things you might notice is better gas mileage. This is because your engine is running more efficiently. It doesn't have to work as hard to burn the fuel. Another immediate benefit is smoother engine operation. Your car will idle better, and you won't feel as much vibration. Acceleration also gets a boost with new spark plugs. Your car will respond more quickly when you step on the gas. In the days after changing your spark plugs, you'll notice even more improvements. One of the biggest is fewer engine misfires. Misfires happen when the spark plug doesn't ignite the fuel properly. This can cause your car to jerk or hesitate. Cold starts will also be easier. Old spark plugs can struggle to ignite the fuel when the engine is cold. New plugs will fire right up, even on chilly mornings. Overall, your engine's ignition system will be much improved with new spark plugs. The benefits of new spark plugs go beyond the short term. Over time, they can actually help your engine last longer. This is because they reduce wear and tear on the engine's internal components. New spark plugs also help your car run cleaner. They reduce emissions, which is good for the environment. Plus, regular spark plug changes are a form of preventative maintenance. This means you can avoid more expensive engine problems down the road. Bottom line, changing your spark plugs is a smart investment for your car and your wallet.